What's up everyone, this is Aditya and welcome back to my channel. Today we are headed to Yarada beach, which is one of the most popular beaches in Visakhapatnam. We have started early as we wanted to see the sunrise from the beach, so let's go. Yarada beach is located at a distance of around 18 kilometers from Visakhapatnam railway station, and one can easily reach here by taking the public transportation. The buses are available, or one can take their own transportation and reach here. There are two ways to reach Yarada beach, and one is from via India, that comes from railway station, and the other is from Gajuaka. The Yarada beach is located on the other side of the hill, and there are proper roads connecting from the city to the Yarada beach. So we have reached perfectly on time. The sun is just coming up, and this is a beautiful sunrise view from the beach. So now we are headed towards the right side of the beach. There is a small hill and we are going there to see a perfect spot to take some of the time lapses of the sunrise with the beach. Here is a beautiful sunrise. Time to take some photographs and then return back. So we are done with the sunrise and it's time to head back. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and share it with your friends. And also most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thanks for watching, and we have more Vizag series videos coming up. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.